I just can't give it up. Yeah, yeah. Yes, sir. What is going on, YouTube? It is your boy D Nally, aka Don Squally, and today we are back with another Toyota Tundra. I almost called this a Nissan Titan. Stupid me. We are back with another Toyota Tundra install video. So if you guys can tell from the title of today's video, we are going to try to retrofit this F-350, I guess lower lip, valence, whatever you want to call it, to the front bumper of the Toyota Tundra. Now I ended up mocking it up when I ended up getting this lip from a friend. They took it off, didn't like the look of it on their Ford. I actually had this kicking around long before I had this Toyota. I just, it was clean. I thought it would be, useful someday, and I think today might be the day. So I ended up mocking this up just quickly to see if it would fit and if the dimensions were somewhat decent, and they actually are. The only thing I'm going to have to do is just cut this strip of mounting right here, and that's just because that's kind of where this sits, so it's going to be cut out here. So this little piece of the front, I don't even know what you'd call this, bottom bumper. I guess it's a cutout for our tow hooks, which after we put this on is pretty much, that's going to be rendered pretty much useless. But I think what I might do is just run this in the summer. It's going to take away quite a bit of ground clearance, but I think it's going to give it a nice, sporty look. And because this is a two-wheel drive, I don't really mind it looking like a street truck. So what I'm going to do now is just go ahead, cut off these tabs, grab a few clips and some clamps, and see if I can just clamp this into position. Take some measurements to where exactly I have to drill this thing. And then we're going to get to it. I'm pretty excited for this. I don't really know how I'm going to feel about it once it's done. But usually, you just got to try it out, see how it works. And, if I don't like it, I can always take it off. And you really won't even notice any holes. They'll all be down at the bottom. So for those of you guys who are stoked for this video, I know I brought it up a few times in the past. We're about to get into it. F-350 front lip install on a Toyota Tundra. Let's get it. Alrighty, so we have the lip mocked up to where it would be on the truck, and I really like how low it sits. The only problem is the only flat part on the actual bumper is quite a bit in from where the front of the truck is, but I think I'm going to go ahead, give it a shot anyways, just see how it looks. I don't know if this kind of thing is going to improve gas mileage or make gas mileage worse. But overall, you know me, I got to be custom, I got to be different. And, not many people are going to have an F-350 lip on their Toyota Tundra. So I'm going to go ahead, mount this up, start drilling some holes, and let you guys know what the progress looks like. Okay, so it took a lot of drilling, a lot of back and forth. I moved the lip out a little bit from where I initially was going to mount it, but everything's pretty much center. The truck's lowered, everything's bolted up, and this is what it looks like. Now, initially, when I realized I could only mount it inward on the bumper there in order to meet up with the sides there and find the flat spot that I could bolt it up to, I was a little unsure of how I was going to like it, but I'm not going to lie, I kind of like the way it just beefs up the front a little bit, and when I get the leveling kit, I'll get an extra 3 inches because as it sits right now, I don't even think I'll be able to make it over a curb, or if I'm parking, I'm going to have to watch how far I put the bumper over the curb. But, with the side steps and that lip, I'm thinking this thing is looking pretty good. So for all you guys who are wondering, any lips that you wanted to get for your Toyota Tundra, Ford F-350 lip works. I believe it was off of like a 2016 or a 2017. And it actually looks pretty decent. But I'll tell you what, there was quite a bit of modification, and I was sweating and struggling pretty much the whole time. But, all in a good day's work. But I'm thinking we are probably going to wrap this one up. So if you guys did enjoy this video, don't forget to smash that like button. All you new Tundra viewers, welcome. Smash that subscribe button if you guys did enjoy this one. Smash the like button as well. It really helps. And with that being said, I'm your boy, D Nolly, aka Don Squally. I'm going to go inside, have a quick shower, and start my night off, man. We're going to catch you mofos at the next one. Peace.